What is a label in Gmail? Label in Gmail is a one place that we create keeping file from another one's sent to you. If you have label in Gmail, you can control and easy search the email address someone sent to you. For example, I have one email sent to me. His name is HeHi's. Now I go back with my account and I check the email from HeHi sent to me. It stays on HeHi label. It doesn't show in inbox button because I created the one label of the name HeHi. When he sends to me, all the email address from HeHi is keeping in the inbox button. So I think that you understand with this flow. So go on with how to create label in Gmail. First, you need to create the label. Click on More button. Scroll down. Click Manage Labels. Scroll down. Click Create New Label. Enter the name of the label that you want to set. And next, click Create. We need to go on Filter the email address insert in the label. First, click on Filter and Block Address and click Edit Label here. In the box has the word. Insert the email address that you want to set in label. And next, click Continue. Check the first box. Skip the inbox. It means that all the message from HeHi to you is not shown in inbox. And next, choose the label names of the HeHi. And one more, if you click also Apply Filter, it means that you want to move the HeHi email from inbox into the label. The reason one matching conversation is mean that the email address HeHi in the inbox has a one message and I want to move from inbox into label. After I add the HeHi emails, I know that the HeHi email will show on my label that I did created. Now I will send this again with from HeHi to me emails. Now I sign in the HeHi account. And next, I click on Compose button. And next, I type the email address Alto David in the box and click Send from HeHi to Alto. Now I come back to Alto account and waiting from HeHi sent to me. So the email address from HeHi will show on the label. It doesn't show on the inbox. And the last step, if you want to remove the labels, please click on Move button and then scroll down, click on Manage Labels and then scroll down, click on Remove. Before you click on Delete button, you should move your email from HeHi into the inbox. If you don't move HeHi email in the inbox, so all the email in the label will lost. Okay, follow with my step here. Click on Cancel. Next, click on Label. And next, check the email from HeHi and click Move to. Click on Inbox button. Now, all the email from HeHi will move labels to inbox. The next step, you can remove the label. Please click on Move and next scroll down, click on Manage Labels. And next scroll down here and click Remove, click Delete. You already delete. On the other hand, if you want to control email, YouTube or Google account, you can set the label like this. Thanks so much for your watching. See you in the next video.